Hi, I'm Michael from EazyPaper, and today I'll be showing you how to install EazyPaper. EazyPaper is a Microsoft Word add-in that formats your paper according to the APA, MLA, Turabian, and AMA formats. The first step is to go to our homepage, easypaper.com, and click the free trial link. The EazyPaper installer should automatically start downloading, or if it doesn't, click the download button. You can launch the installer file from your browser, or if you accidentally click the close button, browse to the Downloads folder in File Explorer. If you downloaded the installer multiple times like I did, Windows will call each successive file EazyPaper Setup 1, 2, 3, etc. Double-click the largest number representing the latest installer to run it. Windows will pop up a message asking you to allow EazyPaper to make changes to your device. Make sure EazyPaper Inc. is the verified publisher and click Yes. If you happen to have Word open, then EazyPaper will not be able to integrate into it. So close Word and click OK. If the installer still thinks Word is open somewhere, then it means you have a ghost process of Word, and the easiest way to resolve that is to reboot your computer to clear everything from memory and run the installer again. I'll agree to the license agreement and wait for the installer to install EazyPaper as a Word add-in. The installer will also add the Save to EazyPaper extension to Chrome and Edge. It's a free extension that saves the current web page to your Downloads EazyPaper folder, and enables EazyPaper to cite any book, periodical, or website from your browser. If your browser is open, then it should pop up a message asking you to add the extension. Do so, click the extension button, and then pin Save to EazyPaper to your taskbar. If your browser happened to be closed when you ran the EazyPaper installer, then you may have to enable the Save to EazyPaper extension manually. This was the case for Edge on my computer, so I'll launch Edge, click Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then turn Save Webpage to EazyPaper on. I'll also click the extension button and Save to EazyPaper to the Edge taskbar. EazyPaper is finished installing it now. It'll ask you if you want to watch the product demo. If you haven't already, I highly recommend that you do that, as it will give you an overview of the EazyPaper features and explain how to use the product. You can now launch EazyPaper from the desktop icon or from Word itself. Simply start a new Word document and then click the EazyPaper icon under the EazyPaper toolbar to apply a template to your blank Word document. The Easy Import button allows you to insert references into your document, but if you want more details, that's for another video, which you can click on the link below.